Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the keyboard or mouse is not working on your computer, but at least one of these is working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Now expand the list for keyboard drivers. If the keyboard is not working, right click on the HID keyboard driver and select Update Driver. Search automatically for driver. Now, if the mouse is not working and you're using the keyboard, then you'll have to keep hitting the tab key to change the tabs. For this, go to mice and other pointing devices, right click on both the HID compliant mouse and select update and update both of them, not just one, both of them. Once you have updated both of them, you can also disable fast startup. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cfl. I'll show you the command once again. Powercfg.cpl and hit enter to open the power options window. Now click on choose what the power buttons do on the left pane. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Switch this one off. Turn on fast startup recommended. Switch this one off. Click on save changes. This will fix the problem, but if it doesn't, then you can also isolate the cause with the hardware. So use your keyboard or mouse with a different computer to check if they are the ones which are problematic. If you're using a Bluetooth mouse or keyboard, then you can change the cells, check the USB connections, and if you are connecting them directly through Bluetooth, then right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, and check that they should be connected here. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.